All right, everybody, this is your trading update for June 19th. As we zoom in on our SPY chart here, we're starting to see a pattern that's quite indicative here, as we head deeper into the summer. And what we're seeing here is always a sort of attempt at apathy here, in the market, and a sort of controlled weakness. And as we can see today, the market gapped higher and then sold all the way back into negative territory through 196. And you even had some charts actually reflecting some of that weakness, right? I mean, take a look at this Netflix. She was down a good 10 points at one point here. And then we just had a spike back right into the close. And you see many names get bought up sort of into the afternoon or after that shakeout has happened. And that's pretty indicative right now of the summer months. And it's very controlled, meaning that the juice is very controlled. It only goes to a certain place. So if we take a look at our watch list here, you're going to see the fact that most of these names, again, just did absolutely nothing here. Just a couple of cents up, a couple of cents down. Nothing really big is happening in sort of the broad across all your different sectors. One thing that took place though today, towards the end of the day, and actually was a continuation of yesterday's move, was this Goog L at the close. Let's take a look at a couple options that you could have played here to capitalize on this move. Right here, you're taking a look at a 565 weekly call in the Google, and you can see sort of the move happen sort of late in the day here, and you could have picked it up for a late day rally. Obviously, you can go further out of the money here, but honestly, the Google and the Tesla this morning were pretty much the only money in large cap world here, guys. All right, so it might keep going like this in the summer months. So be careful not to take too heavy a position too early. Usually there's going to be washouts, shakeouts, which get you out of these directional positions. You end up taking the loss, and then you never capitalize that move sort of when she ends up coming back. And I'm assuming you're playing from the long side. Anybody who's shorting this market, I mean, honestly, guys, as much as I want to and as much as I really want to get ahead of this trade, you have to put it off until you get real selling pressure. Okay, when you get funds literally selling out and taking profits on these ginormous moves that have taken place. Okay, and you can't jump the gun here. So if you're going to do it, throw out small feeler trades to try to test things out. Give yourself some time in the options rather than chasing after some of the weeklies and trying to catch the exact top.